Okay, welcome to the video. This is the first video in the Windows 10 for Novices series, and seeing as I'm going right back to basics, I want to start right at the beginning. And the first thing you really need to know is how to turn the computer on and how to turn it off again. Now, pretty straightforward, but I'll just explain some of the things that are available and what they actually do. So, when you first start with your computer, you're going to end up on the lock screen. And you can see here that on the lock screen we've got the time, the date, and also the internet status down here. From the lock screen we can either press any of the mouse buttons or we can press any key on the keyboard. So once we've done that, we'll be on our sign in screen, and you'll see here that we have an account up front and ready to be signed into with a password. If you haven't got a password on your computer, you'll just be asked to sign in. And we'll cover how to add a password. Really is recommended, especially if we start getting into adding different users later on. But for now we're just going to concentrate on logging in. So you'll also see down here at the bottom left, if there's more than one user on the computer, you can select which user. And at the opposite side, again, we've got our internet connection status. We've then got ease of access, which basically means that you can alter how easy the computer is to use. If you accidentally click on that, come off the icon and then click on the desktop, and that'll take the menu away. And next to that we've got a power button giving us the option to shut down and restart. Now you can just shut the computer down from here rather than going into the desktop and then shutting it down that way, and same with restart. So to sign in, we select the password panel and we sign in. Once you've entered your password, hit enter. That'll start Windows up, and that's it. So now we've landed on the desktop, we're not going to dive in any deeper. We'll now look at how we shut the computer down. So from the desktop we can go down and left click on the start, and that's the little icon down there of the window, and then above that you'll see that we have power. So we'll left click on power and you'll see again we've got shut down and restart, same options that we had on the sign in page. So to shut down we'll go ahead and left click on shut down, and it's as easy as that. So that's a quick look at how we start up and shut down Windows, and I'd like to thank you for watching.